Working. Turn right. I told him, let's go. Let's see if he follows. Is it what? What? Not really. I mean, just take your time. Yeah, don't fall. Yeah, don't fall, no pressure. Watch out this idiot. So watch out for this moron. Bike lane! No. That's funny. Fucking bike lane. Just be like, bro, I just got my license. I didn't know that wasn't for motorcycles. What the fuck are they building behind that poor house? That's fucked. That'll fuck up that whole house's value. The diner. I know, right? We're just fucking driving regularly and having the fucking time of our lives. Yo, this guy is like so on your ass. I'm about to take his mirror out. I'm behind him. Yeah. Nah, yeah, because he got late to the turn. Sharp turn up here. Oh yeah, sharp as fuck. Slow down, like all the way. Yo, you saw that little bridge? I kind of want to go over it. You saw that bridge back there? I kind of want to go over it. I don't know, let's see what's over here first. I had a feeling it would be. Yo, bro. That's scary. There's no guardrail, so like, it's just like bike into water. I kind of don't want to ride by this now. Where the fuck are you? Oh. Where the fuck are we? Nah, that is. Oh, I found our photo spot. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not putting my bike up there. Nah, in the train track. Nah, that's sketchy. Cooked. side. Stay on the left side of the lane. A lot of potholes. In your helmet? Oh, should we go straight or turn right? It says no outlet, so let's just go straight. I know. Just be careful because people might be coming out of their driveways. No, I'm just trying to figure out where the fuck are we. The bar places? Oh. Yeah. I don't know if I should go down that road or that's just someone's driveway. Deer Run. Big ass houses. Hey Siri, where am I? I said, hey Siri, where am I? Yeah, this wind's really fucking my hands up. Oh yeah. The only thing that sucks is the truck is in front of us. Fuck. Now what? Where should we go? Straight? We're in Hunterdon County? I said we're in Hunterdon County. Yeah. Nah, I don't know how fast I was going. Definitely over 100. Ass. I'm not gonna hit a toll booth, am I? Westwood Church Road, Deer Path Park to the right. You wanna go to Deer Path Park? Nah, go straight, go straight. Let's go to Deer Path Park, wherever that is. This turn gets a little sharp. River Road. Careful with this van. Oh my god, is this a one lane? I'm so confused. It's one lane. It's 50. That's a cop. Alright, I'm going 53. We're good. Where are we? Where are we? Flemington. You want to pull over and just find the Flemington dealership? I'm going to pull over at this gas station. No, when I meant to him, I meant don't stay too close because I might have to, because I don't know where we're going. Oh yeah, no. This is scary. Go, go, go. I see that. Just turn right. What shop? Your what? Bro, you drove this far every day? Your boy driving? Around the roundabout. G-Wagon. And then, yeah, no, left. Excuse me, bitch, don't hit me. And then, this way. I don't know. I'm not really looking down. I was looking up. There's a BP and Mickey D's. And then we gotta turn left. Chipotle. I'm fucking broke. I can't even be buying shit for real. I got no deals pending. It's not that I'm broke. You just gotta be like conservative. I think it's in that mall. You? You're a noob. Damn, it was a quick light. Yeah, turn into this